Welcome to Brabant, a place you've probably never heard of before, because we aren't the largest country in the world, or the best known. In fact, we're not even a country. Brabant is a region in the south of the Netherlands, where we like to fiddle, tinker, and give it a go. But most of the time, we just hang about. We see things in a different light. And together we come up with solutions on the back of a beer napkin. We connect easily. In our spare time, we go out for a ride to explore the surroundings and meet with family and friends to enjoy the sweet taste of innovation. So is Brabant an interesting region? That's up to you.